Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dolapo and I am a virtual assistant. Today I'll be giving you guys 11 benefits of becoming a virtual assistant. Right, yeah, if this is your first time coming across my channel, can you do well to like, subscribe this on this video so you will get to see the daily tips I share about being a virtual assistant. That being said, let's get to work. 11 benefits of being a virtual assistant. Number one, you get to work from anywhere that you are. You don't need an office. You don't need to work in an office. You don't need to own an office before you start being a virtual assistant. You can actually work anywhere at the comfort of your home. Alright, number two, flexible hours. Being a virtual assistant, you get to work during the day or during the night, or you can actually work two time however she pleases you. Number three, low cost. Okay, being a virtual assistant, okay, you can actually start being a virtual assistant with your phone, or you can use a laptop, and again you get to know how to use Canva tools and Google Drive and lots more. Right, so you also get to choose whoever it is you want to work with. Yes, you get to choose whoever you want your client to be. All right, so number five, flexibility in scheduling, more like diversifying. All right, let's say today you're managing your emails, let's say tomorrow you're working on your calendar, let's say the next you are doing video editing. So you get to choose however whenever you want to start. All right, so number six, number six, that is unlimited income. Unlimited income in a case whereby you get to set your rate. Like, let's say the more your skill grows, the more your rates grow. You understand? Okay, so you have the freedom to choose however you want your rate to increase. All right, and that goes to the next one. It gets us to skill growth. All right, so as I've said before, let's say you are already familiar with tech tools. Okay, so let's just say the more projects you work on, the more growth you have. All right, so the next one, which is better work around your life, in a case whereby it doesn't cost you anything, because yeah, you also want to be able to live life. When I said live life, in terms that you'll be able to have time for yourself, you'll be able to have time for your family. Okay, and again, the next one is what you'll be able to build your brand. Actually, it is not only about you working for somebody, it's also you working on yourself. Okay, it's also you becoming a betterment of yourself. All right, and again, the last one, you don't need to go to school before you become a virtual assistant. Anybody can be a virtual assistant. Yes, so that's it, guys. Actually, this video, I would like you to not to forget to like it, not to forget to subscribe to this video, and not to forget, most importantly, share to people that also wants to become a virtual assistant and they don't know how to. Actually, this is also my own journey being a virtual assistant. So whoever it is that doesn't know how to go on about being a virtual assistant, you can actually share this video. I don't mind being friends with them. Okay, because we can actually tag along on this journey together. All right, guys, that will be all. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much. So I will see you guys later. Thank you.